Subscribe and press the bell icon first to see the latest video.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make cute avocado couple. And for that, what you need is a pencil, eraser, paper, and some paint. So let's get started.
Okay, so I took my paper horizontally, and then we'll make half of the avocado over here and other half over this side. So what I'm gonna do here first, I'm gonna make a curvy line. We'll start with a curvy line, and then you leave plenty of gap, especially like you can place your 3 to 4 fingers over here, and then you can just start making another curvy line here. Great job. So if you like, my fingers are a little bit wider, but as you're a kid, your fingers should be like more smaller, so you can place your 4 fingers here and then do the another avocado. Okay, all right, very good. Now what we're gonna do, now see this line, I'm gonna go toward the left side, and this line will come toward the right side a little bit. So this will go toward the left side, and this will go toward the right side. Very good. Can you do the same thing over here? Toward the left side and toward the right side. Great job. Now what we will do, we'll connect this one with a nice and beautiful U shape. So you go all the way down, come up and connect here. Very good. Can you repeat the same thing over this side? Come all the way down. Make sure you make a little bit flat at the bottom, but try to continue that flow going up, and then you can connect here. Good job. Now what we'll do, we'll make a circle here, and for the circle, just make a medium kind of circle. You don't have to make it too big or too small. Just a medium circle will work. Very good. And same thing on the other side. And if you have some issue and trouble making the circle, please do practice the circle video first, so it will help you to make a perfect circle. Very good. We'll erase this extra line now here. Okay, so we're done the basic thing. Now we'll add some cute eyes here. So for that, I'm making a circle and one more circle here, and a smiley here, and we'll make the eyes one more circle inside this eye, and it's looking at toward this way. If you want to change the direction, definitely you can do that. Definitely you can do that. All right, so this is done. Now I'm gonna make one more. Same thing over here. 2 circle, and this one is looking at toward the left side. And over here I will add some eyelashes. You can add it on the same thing other side. Very good. And you can make a smiley here as well. And I'm going to add one bow here, and for that I'll make a small circle, heart shape on the right side, and heart shape on the left side. Very good. Good job, guys. So you can just keep it like that, but I want to add some legs and some arms. So one line coming here, another line coming here, and then you can make a circle here and another circle here. Oh, that looks so cute. And make sure the other side is the same height you did, and same thing on the other one. Very good, good job. And we'll do the legs here now. For that, you make two little lines, both of them. Very nice. And then you can make this side is going toward the left, the circle or the little oval shape, and this one is going toward the right. Same thing, this one is going toward the left and this one is going toward the right. Okay, all right, very good, good job. Now I'm gonna make some heart shape here, and you can name your avocado, like, you know, if you want to name them anything, you can definitely name them, and just let me know in the comment box what did you name your avocado. Now we're done with the sketching. Now I'm gonna take my Sharpie and then I'll trace all the outline here, and make sure you don't trace those heart shape. We can just color it with like our regular color directly, so you don't need to trace that one.
Now you can take your eraser and erase all those extra line you have.
So now we're done tracing and done erasing. So now I'm gonna tell you the colors. So we need brown and yellow ochre, but if you do not have the yellow ochre, you can take a little bit of yellow for inside, and then you need your dark green and your light green. So let's get started with the coloring. So what I'm gonna do, I took my water and I'm just gonna apply the water. So only outside this part, do not go inside the circle. So I'm gonna apply the water. That's it. Now I will take my dark green first and then try to trace a outline kind of thing from outside. See, go all over around, and that's it. Very good. Now you don't do anything else, like, you know, if you want to just add a little bit more green in some areas, a little bit lighter, you can add that, but do not bring it anything inside. Do the inside part with the lighter green. So that's it for the outside part. Then you wash your brush and then take your light green and you start applying over here. And see how beautifully the colors is mixing over here, and that's exactly what we are looking for. And I intentionally went over the eyes, and that's absolutely okay. Very good. Good job. Now I will wait until this part get dry, then we'll color inside the circle. But in the meantime, I'll just color this one the same way. So same thing, I have already applied the water. Now I'm gonna do the green, to the dark green here. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe to this channel, because I upload videos every week so you don't miss any of them, and you can draw so many cute things. Alrighty, so we're done here, and then I'm gonna wash my brush. Same thing, I will just take my light green so in the meanwhile, when we are waiting, we can color the heart shape. So I did not mention the color for the heart shape because you can choose actually whatever shade you want. So that's why I did not mention any color. So if you want to do the red, you can do red. If you want to do rainbow, you can absolutely do the rainbow. There you go, I'm almost done here. Now I'll color the bow as well with the red. If you want to add pink or something, you can do that as well. Very good. Okay, so pretty much we are a little bit dry. We're not completely dry, but yeah, that's okay. But if you want to, I would recommend you, if you want to just wait until it's completely dry, then you start doing the inside. Okay, what I'm doing here, I'm applying my water, just a little bit of water. Do not add too much water. And then I'll take my color yellow ochre and then just adding a dot here. Do not do anything else but a dot. That's all. And then you wash your brush, and then you take your brown and you color the brown. Sorry, my brown is a little lighter. Now you color the brown all over this place. Make sure don't go inside that yellow ochre, you just left it. So except that one, you can just color all around this part with your brown. Very good. Repeat the same thing on the other side as well. There we go, we're almost done. And let me know how you like this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, because I really want to know how you guys are liking those videos. So please give it a thumbs up if you do like this video. Alrighty, so we're done, and then I'm gonna see you guys with my next episode. Bye bye. Guys, don't forget to like the channel, share the video, and subscribe the channel.